Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply two different numbering system to a document using section breaks. Let me open a Microsoft Word document. I have opened my Microsoft Word document which has some dummy text placed into it. Total number of pages in this document are 8. Let me go to page number 4. Now I am on page number 4. From page number 4 to onward, I would like to have different page numbering styles from the pages prior to it. So how would I do that? I will first go to Layout tab, and here we have breaks. I will click on it, and here you can see we have section breaks. Here you have section breaks, and there are a number of section breaks: next page, continuous, even page, odd page. I would not go into the detail of each one, rather I would stick to next page. I will click over it, and now our document has been changed into two sections. In order to see whether this document has two sections or not, we will go to Home tab, click on Paragraph Marker, and here you can see a section break. Let me click over here and press enter. You can see section break, next page. From these dotted lines onward, we have section 2, and prior to section break, next page, we have section 1. Let me again come to page number 4 and double click over here to activate header and footer. Now here you have many options, and we have our page numbers too. But before applying the page numbering system, I would click on link to previous so that I can delink my section 2 from section 1. Now our section 2 has been delinked from section 1. Now we can apply our page numbering system. I would go on to page number, top of the page, and I want to apply this numbering system. So I will click over it, and here you have numbers inserted into the document, but you can see it's page number 4, and here page number 5, 6, 7, 8. I do not want to have page numbering starting from the previous section and go over to the next section. Rather, I want to have page numbering starting from here. So I will click over it, then go to page numbers, and here we have format page numbers. I will click on it, and here you see continues from previous section or start 8. So I will click on this radio button, start 8, and I will insert 1. Now let me click OK, and here you can see that page number 1 has been inserted. It is actually page number 4, and here you can see it 1, 2, and it goes right up to 4, rather 5. Let me write something over here so that I can show you how these two sections are separate from each other. Now I have written introduction. If you go to the next page, you can see it also appeared on page number 2, and similarly it would appear in the rest of the document in the whole of this section. Now I will go to the start of the document and show you how would I apply the other numbering system to the section before introduction. So I would go to the top of the page, go to page number, top of the page, and plan number 2. And here you can see that page numbering 1, 2, 3, up to 3 has been applied. And from section break ahead, you can see again we have 1, 2. Let me change the numbering style. I would click over it, rather I would select it. I would go to page number, format page numbers, number format. I would choose Roman numerals, and now I will click OK. And here you can see Roman page numbering has been applied to the document. 2, 3, and up to 3 only. Here you can see we have a section break, and different numbering style exists in section 2. This is how different numbering styles can be applied to a document. You can make many sections and apply numbering style, header or footers to your document. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If so, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.